Did you know there are 4 different ways to install and hold the inflatable seal at place? If you choose the wrong one, your seal will wear out easily. So in this today's video, we will find out 4 types of seals and when to use it. So let's get started. So let's start with the type 1, footless seals. These are the most common used in 60 to 70% of cases. They don't have extra parts to hold them down. Instead, they stick in place with tape, ribs, or by being slightly tight in the groove. They handle about 3 bar pressure in normal rubber and much higher in reinforced with fabric. The next is type 2, Fasten-In Seals. These have feet that lock into grooves. They handle 3 bar without reinforcement, up to 10 bar with reinforcement. Great choice if your system has lot of vibration or frequent use. Moving to the next type 3, bonded bottom seals. These seals they expand up to 90 to 100% of their height, making them great for covering up and uneven gaps. Like others, they handle 3 bar normal, 10 bar reinforced. So next is type 4, slot fit square seals. These are heavy duty with rigid walls. They survive high pressure and many cycles. Available in tabletop or stud top design, held with ribs or tight fits. Non-reinforced version handle up to 6 bar. Perfect for lifting, gripping and frequent use in factories. Choosing the right type keeps your seal working longer and safer. At Western Rubbers, we design seal for all these needs. So, which type do you use the most? Footless or another? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.